Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the out-of-body TikTok filter. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the Discover tab at the bottom of the screen, click on Discover. That will open up this page where you're going to want to go to the top of the screen at the search bar and type in 2 of me. All one word, and 2 is used with a number. And then click Search. Here you can see all of the videos that are posted that use the out-of-body filter. Just go ahead and pick one at random, top left we'll pick. And then down at the bottom, right above their hashtags, you can see the out-of-body tag right there with the little star next to it. Go ahead and click on that. And you can click on Add to Favorites. I have already added it to my favorites. Right underneath it you can see that it says Added to Favorites. If you haven't, just add it to favorites and then you can back out. And back out one more time to return to the Home tab. Now you can find it by clicking Me down at the bottom right, and then right next to Edit Profile there's that little bookmark symbol. Click on that bookmark. That is all of your favorites. You can scroll to Effects, and there you can see your out-of-body effect. Click on that. And here you can actually start filming by pressing the camera icon at the bottom middle of the screen, and it will be using the out-of-body effect. I hope this video helped you out on how to use the out-of-body effect on TikTok. If it did, smash that like button and consider subscribing because we talk about this sort of thing often here. Thanks for watching. Take care.